Hi, this is Wade, Product Support Manager for the Whalen Company. And today we're going to go over the order of operations for our 2-pipe fan cycle Whalen fan coil. So these units are thermostatically controlled, and the thermostat will send power to an aquastat. And the aquastat, depending on the mode, if it's in heating, the aquastats, if there's hot water in the pipe, in the riser pipes, it will allow the fan signal to pass through and energize a fan cycle relay, which in turn will turn the fan on. If the customer goes into cooling mode while there's hot water in the risers, they will get nothing because the aquastat is in the opposite position and will not allow the fan cycle relay to engage, and therefore the fan will not work. The unit is very simple in respect that all there is a fan and a fan cycle relay and a thermostat. Makes it very easy to work on. Thanks for watching our video today. And if you have any other concerns or questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the tech support department at the Whalen Company at 443-258-2786.